Greetings and good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with the daily analysis of Solana for April 8th. Last week, we saw Solana's price, after a 13% fluctuation, finally close as a pin bar candle around $82. Since the start of this week, the price has experienced a growth of over 3%.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Here we can see that after Solana's past price reaction to this area, we've drawn a demand zone, and last week the price reacted to it and started an upward move. Finally, yesterday, after the crypto market entered a risk-on state, the price went up, reacted to the daily FVG area, and retreated from this level. Currently, the price is trading around $84.57. We're looking at the flow of liquidity in and out of Solana ETF funds. We can see here that yesterday a negative outflow was recorded from these funds. On the other hand, you see the Fear and Greed Index, which has now risen to 46, its highest level in the past month. We're examining the 4-hour time frame. We can see that for the past 3 weeks, Solana's price has been in a downward structure, where every time the price reached internal liquidity zones with a temporary correction, it faced selling pressure and fell lower. In the last return to internal liquidity zones on Monday, after the price filled its 4-hour FVG in this area, it faced selling pressure, and yesterday, with the increased likelihood of a US attack on Iran's infrastructure and rising military tensions, Solana's price also dropped. In Tuesday's drop, the price reacted to the 4-hour order block and the previous low, and after the announcement of a temporary 2-week ceasefire, we saw Solana's price grow. In the upward move it created, Solana managed to see above its previous high, but it hasn't yet succeeded in closing above this level. We're looking at Solana's liquidity map. Here we can see that as the main areas for sell-side liquidity, we can consider the prices of $82.46 and $81.87. On the other side, as the main buy-side liquidity, we'll have the area above the previous high and the price of $87.5. By checking these areas on the chart, we can see the main sell-side liquidity in the 1-hour FVG and 1-hour BPR areas. And given the positive sentiment we have for Solana, we can expect that after the price reaches these areas through a short-term correction, it will collect the existing liquidity and then make its move upward. The targets we can consider for the price, after the previous peak in the $87 range, we'll have the 1-hour unicorn zone at $88.50. Good luck and stay profitable.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.